For the first part of this conversation, we will be starting with the budget proposal. For practical purposes, we will assume a driver has already been secured. Once a driver has been secured, they would be paid $150 per every travel day going to the chase destination. Once on site, for the chase day itself, the driver would be paid $250. The question of paying them for the travel time going home will be based on if we exceed our funding goal. For days where we successfully document a tornado, regardless of size or duration of the tornado, they would be paid an additional $350 per successful day. Not every chase we do will guarantee a tornado, nor will it be the goal for every chase. Moving down on the chart, I am only asking for myself $200 a day regardless of what happens, so long as it's connected to a storm chasing adventure. Both the driver and myself are allotted 50 days, as that should be more than sufficient to shoot plenty of content for the series. While on the road, of course, lodging has to be considered. The rate of $150 per night for a room for two is a maximized cost. While we should not ever exceed that, it's just a fail-safe with that amount. This amount does not reflect incidentals, as that will be on the individual. Similarly, meals will be valued at $100 per day, not inclusive of tips. Tips will be the responsibility of the individual. Due to the nature of storm chasing, vehicle maintenance has been budgeted. This includes oil changes, tire purchases, and any and all maintenance required along the journeys. While I do not push my vehicle beyond its limits, some costs may not be seen until later into the chase season. Finally, we get to the fuel miscellaneous section of this budget. Fuel is separated because of the larger unpredictability of vehicle maintenance costs. The miscellaneous costs can be a substitute when other funding areas start to become short, or replace camera or image capturing equipment which may break along the way. A portion of the remaining funds from the season will be divided between myself and the driver as sort of a bonus. Any remaining funds will roll over into the next season. As you can see, this is not a giant budget proposal, primarily due to the fact that I'm wearing so many hats, including determining the best chasing location, deciding the best position on a storm, shooting video, taking pictures, editing, and more. I'm only taking a smaller pay because I don't want to ask for too much for this first effort at raising money.